Hey guys, Rona back here with new exciting video, and in this video guys I'm going to show you how you can create a free AliExpress dropshipping website for free. If you do not know what is the AliExpress dropshipping business, well, in this type of business you're simply selling someone else's product on your own website, and you don't need to manage the warehouses. When someone buy any product from your store, you simply reorder the same item from AliExpress supplier. That supplier will ship the product directly to your customer address and you will get your profit. And as always, this video will be step-by-step video guide. First I'll show you how to build your website, then I'll show you how to get your first order. Moreover, I'll show you how you can fulfill that order to make profit. So without wasting more time, let's get started and let me show you how you can build this free AliExpress dropshipping website. Okay buddy, to create AliExpress dropshipping website, we are going to use WordPress. This time I'm going to use different method. I will install WordPress in my local computer and then I will take that website into live server. So let's get started. To install a WordPress website in a local computer, we have to install a software called 𝗀𝗁𝗶. Just perform a Google search for 𝗀𝗁𝗶. Open the first website, localwp.com. You will find the website link in the video description as well. Here you have to download this software. To do it, just click on the download button and it will ask you to choose your platform. Select the platform that you have. I'm using Windows computer. And type the first name, last name, your working email and your phone number. Once you do it, click on get it now. This software will automatically download in your computer. Since I already have downloaded and installed this application in my Windows computer, I'm not going to repeat the process. Let's open up this 𝗀𝗁𝗶. So this is the software looks like when you install it. As you can see, I've already installed some local website using this software. To install another local site, click on this plus button. Make sure select the first option and click on continue. Type the name. You can type anything you like. I'm going to call it AliDrop and then click on continue. Make sure you select the first option and then click on continue. Type your WordPress username and password and then click on add site. And your WordPress website will install in just few seconds. WordPress has been installed successfully. Now you can access your WordPress website just by clicking on the WP admin button. It will open your web browser. So this is the WordPress login page. If you do not know how to access the login page, you simply has to type the URL of your website and type wp-login or admin. Anyways, let's type your username and password and click on login. Now we are inside the dashboard of WordPress. Let's dismiss the message. Alright, now it's time to install a theme. Let's hover your mouse over appearance and then click on themes. And here, just click on add new and just come over here and search for Astra and install this theme. Select the theme and click on install and then click on activate. Now we are going to install a plugins that comes with this theme. That plugin will add extra functionality to our website. To install that plugin, hover your mouse over plugins and click on add new. Now search for Astra once again. Now you have to install this plugin, starter templates. Click on install now and then click on activate. So plugin has been installed and activated successfully. Now let's look at your website. Hover your mouse over here, visit site in a new tab. You can see this is our website looks like by default. There is no content here and we are going to build our website from scratch. Let's close this out and let's close this tab as well. Now let's hover your mouse over appearance and click on starter templates. Now click on build your website now. Now here you have to select your page builder. I like Elementor. Now you will see so many templates that you can choose from. Search for e-commerce. Let's hover your mouse over e-commerce and then click on online store. Come over here or maybe just simply click on e-commerce and let's see how many templates are there. When you see the premium batch over the template, that means that template is a paid. But in this video, we are going to use all free resources to create our AliExpress dropshipping website, which is more than enough to serve the purpose. So find the free template that you like. What about this one? This looks amazing as well and looks professional. So I'll go with this template. I'm going to click on skip and continue and then click on continue. You can fill this information if you want, otherwise you can submit and build my site. So this process may take some time. So I'm gonna speed the video up and I'll come back once it's done. Alright guys, as you can see, our website is ready. Now you can view your website by clicking on view your website button. There you go. Now you can see we have all the entire template installed successfully inside our local website. Each and everything has been imported successfully, like menus, logo, products. These are the sample products. We will delete them later on, and each and everything has been imported successfully. Some beginners who watching this video might think that how can we change or how can we replace these products with our own? Well, just keep watching the video and I'll show you each and everything, how to customize this entire website and how you can change the entire look of your website so that it looks unique and branded. Okay, let's close this out and now let's click over here, exit to dashboard. Now in the next tab, we are going to look at WordPress essential settings. Let's hover your mouse over settings and then click on general. In the general tab, we have the site title, which is already there. Tagline, you can type the tagline of your website, like you can say best product ever. You can type anything you like. It could be your slogan of your website. Type anything that you think will be the best for your website. Below we have the WordPress address and site address. Both should be the same, as you can see. Next, we have the administrator email address. Make sure you type your original or official email address over here. Next, make sure you check this option. Anyone can register. If you want to allow your customer to register on your website and manage their account, make sure you check this option. When you do this, your new user default role should be what? Customer, subscriber, contributor, whatever you want to select from here. Let's go for customer, site language and time zone. I'm from India. I'm going to select mine, this one. You can change your date and time format from here. Absolutely fine for me. Rest of the things are good here. When you make any changes, don't forget to click on save changes. This will keep your changes saved. I'm going to close this out because I already did it. Now let's look at the writings tab. You don't have to do anything over here. Let's go straight to the permalinks. Make sure you select the post name under the permalinks structure. That's pretty much it you have to do inside this section. Next, scroll down and click on save changes if you make any changes. Okay. And finally, let's look at the privacy. Here you can see there is a default privacy policy page selected, but in your case, you have to create your own privacy policy page. To create a privacy policy page, go to pages, click on add new. I'm going to open this link in a new tab. It will open the Gutenberg editor where you can create any pages. Let's close this out. Here you have to type the title, which would be the privacy policy. Below you have to type the entire privacy policy text or content. If you do not know what to type inside the privacy policy or any other important pages, you will find a link in the video description that will take you to my website. From there you will find all the important pages that you can copy and paste into your dropshipping website. But your job will be you have to replace the email address with your own and you have to replace the website URL with your own website URL. Okay, let's close this out and click on leave page. Once you create your own privacy policy page, come back to this page and refresh it and select your own privacy policy page from this drop down menu and click on use this page. That's pretty much it and you are done with the essential settings of WordPress. Now let's look at the WooCommerce plugin settings, which is very important for every e-commerce website. Let's have your mouse over WooCommerce and then click on settings. In the WooCommerce settings, you will see bunch of tabs here, but we will look at only few of them because we are doing a drop shipping. We're not selling our own physical product or digital downloads. We are doing a drop shipping. Okay. Anyways, let's look at the general tab. Inside the general tab, you have to type your store address, scroll down. The general options, you have to select the selling location and shipping location. If you're selling on specific countries, for example, sell to specific country only and type the country name, United States. You can add as many countries as you want where you like to sell your products. Okay. Shipping location, ship to all countries you sell to. Or you can select this option, ship to all countries or ship to specific country only. Let's go with this option, United States. If someone try to fill the shipping information outside of United States, that person won't able to buy the product from your website. Okay, so keep in mind that if you go with exact same settings. Keep scrolling down, enable taxes. If you want to enable taxes, you can do that as well. We are not going to do this because this is a dropshipping website. Just keep scrolling down and you will see this option, enable coupons. This is very useful option. Make sure you enable this option. Scroll down, you can see we have the currency option. I'll go with US dollar, currency position, 1000 separator, each and everything is good here. Let's click on save changes. And we are done with the general tab. And let's look at the shipping tab. We're going to skip the product and let's go straight to the shipping tab. Here, I'm going to create a shipping zone. Let's click on add shipping zone. I'm going to call this free shipping. Why we are going to provide a free shipping? Well, because there is enough margin to sell a product. then why we can't provide a free shipping? Additionally, if you provide a free shipping, then your customer will happy to see that badge below the product, and there is a most likely a chance to receive an order. So this is one of the strategies you can say to receive an order, providing a free shipping on your website. Anyways, next click on add shipping method and go to this drop down button and click on free shipping and click on add shipping method and select your zone region. We forget to add that. I'm going to select the United States. Anyways, click on save changes and your shipping method has been added on your website. If any case you want to create a paid shipping method, you can do that as well just by clicking on the add shipping method and type the zone name, flat rate, select your region and click on add shipping method, click on flat rate, click on add shipping method and then hover your mouse over here and then click on edit. And here you can see the method title will be the flat rate, the text status will be the taxable, the cost will be $7 and click on save changes. This way you can create a paid shipping method. Okay, once you do it, let's go back and now you can see we have the free shipping and we have the flat rate. If you want to learn how to create an advanced shipping method, you can check out my other video. You will find that video link in the description box of this video or you'll find that video on my channel. Anyways, let's proceed with the next step. Let's go to payments tab. Scroll down, you can see there is so many payments gateway available that you can enable. If you're doing international drop shipping, I recommend you to enable PayPal, which is the international payment gateway. If you can't find the PayPal payment method in this list, all you have to do, you have to install the plugin. Let's have your mouse over plugins and click on add new. I'm going to open link in a new tab. I'm going to show you which plugin you need to install. Come over here and type PayPal. Alright guys, so you have to install this plugin, WooCommerce PayPal Payments by WooCommerce. Make sure you install this plugin. To install it, click on install now and then click on activate. It will activate your plugin. Let's close this tab and let's come back to your WooCommerce settings. Under the payments tab, you can't see the PayPal right away because we haven't refreshed the page. Let's refresh the page and let's see the PayPal option. So as you can see, we got the PayPal option right below this list. To enable PayPal, click on this radio button and it will open the PayPal plugins. And here you can see we have couple different options. Activate PayPal button, test payments with PayPal sandbox, toggle to manual credential input. Click over here and you will see we have the sandbox, which is test mode to test out the payments. Next, we have the live email address, merchant ID, and live client ID and secret key. Now, all you have to do, log in into your PayPal account and access these credentials and paste it over here. I've already created a separate video tutorial. You can watch that quick video tutorial and learn how to enable the PayPal payment gateway inside your WooCommerce plugin. That is pretty much straightforward video tutorial. Watch that small video. You will find that video link in the video description as well and activate your PayPal. Once you activate your PayPal, then you can proceed with the next step. I'm going to go back to payments tab once again and here I'm going to enable only cash on delivery. But in your case, you don't have to enable cash on delivery. I'm enabling this because later in this video, I'll show you how you can fulfill the order when you receive an order from your customer. So that's why I turned this on. In your case, you don't have to enable this one. You can enable PayPal or any type of payment gateway inside your WooCommerce plugin. Anyways, let's click on save changes. If you make any changes, don't forget to click on save changes. The next thing you need to confirm that just by going to accounts and privacy. Here, you have to change the settings just like mine. Okay, so I'm gonna check and uncheck few of these options, pause the video and copy my settings. And finally, click on save changes. And now let's look at this final tab, which is the email. The first email should be your guys. If you want to change these emails, just click on the manage button and here you can see the email addresses. Here, make sure you type your official email. Do not add any fake or spam email. Okay. Once you make any changes, don't forget to click on save changes at the very bottom. So we're done with the WooCommerce settings as well. Now it's time to look at the products. Hover your mouse over products and click on all products. And here you can see these are all sample products or dummy products that we will delete later on once we finish adding our original product into our website. So for right now, I'm going to keep it as it is, just sake for this video tutorial. Now it's time to show you guys how to import the product from AliExpress into your dropshipping website. To do it, we need to install a plugin. Hover your mouse over plugins and click on add new. And come over here and search for Ali to Woo and install this plugin right here AliExpress Dropshipping with AliNet Lite by AliExpress Dropshipping plugin. Click on install now and then click on activate. Plugin has been activated successfully. Now let's move to the next step. But before that, let me close these notice as well. Alright, now it's time to show you guys how this plugin works. First of all, hover your mouse over here and then click on settings. And you will see a bunch of different tabs here that we will look at one by one. First of all, you can see we have the language, currency, and default product type. You can pause the video anytime and you can copy my settings. Okay, scroll down and here you have to type the custom note to your supplier. We are doing a drop shipping. Please do not include any invoice in the package. And then scroll down and click on save changes. And these options are available only in the full version of this plugin. We're using the light version, or you can say the free version of this plugin. So there is a limited features, but limited features are more than enough to serve our purpose. Next, let's look at the account settings. So guys, here click on get access token and it will open a new window where you have to sign in or sign up on AliExpress. If you already have account with AliExpress, you can sign in. If you don't have account with AliExpress, you can select the register tab and here you can sign up just by simply filling your email and password. Or you can use your social media handles. I'm going to use my Google account. Okay, once you sign up or sign in your AliExpress, now you will see this type of window which says authorize. Click on this button authorize. It will connect this plugin to your AliExpress account. If you see this type of message, don't worry, click OK and refresh the page and let's see. If you don't see the AliExpress connected with your plugin or your website, don't worry, click on get access token once again. Sometime this happen. You can see this time I don't need to log in and now my AliExpress account has been connected with this AliNet Lite version plugin, as you can see. Okay, once you do it, don't forget to click on save changes. And you can also download the Chrome extension of this plugin just by clicking on the get Chrome extension button and it will open the Chrome web store. You have to install this extension AliExpress Dropshipping by ali2woo.com. I've already installed this extension as you can see right here. So I'm going to close this tab out. Now come back to this page. Let's go to pricing rule. Let's look at the pricing rule. Here you can see we have different types of options here. Use sale price and discount. Use sale price as a base. Use regular price as a base. I'm going to select use sale price as a base. And here product cost will be multiplied with 1.5. Or you can fix marked up or you can set a custom price. So I'll go with 1.5 multiply the product cost. Okay. You can increase or decrease your profit with the pricing method. For more information about the pricing rules, you can check out my other video because I've already created a separate video to create a pricing rule for any type of dropshipping website. Whether you are using Shopify or any other WordPress website for dropshipping, you can watch that video and learn how to create pricing rule for your dropshipping business. Very useful video. And that video also is small video, 2 or 3 minute long video. That's pretty much it. You can go ahead, watch that video and learn how to create a pricing rule. But basically, if you understand the whole concept here, it is pretty straightforward. You are basically multiplying your profit with the product cost. That's pretty much it. Or you can enable the advanced pricing rule as well. For example, for $0 to $10 product, I will multiply my profit with 1. If the product cost goes from 10 to 20, let's say 20, I will multiply my profit with 1.5. If the product cost goes from 20 to 50 maybe, I will multiply my profit into 2 and type the 2 here as well. The rest of the price range will be 2. That's all thing you need to do here. And this is how you create a pricing rule on this plugin. Scroll down. If you want to add shipping cost to the product price, you can do that as well. But I don't like to add the shipping cost in the product price because I've already have enough margin with the product. If you increase your margin, then nobody going to buy any product from your website. So keep in mind that keep the margin as reasonable as possible. Once you make any changes, click on save settings. Okay, now let's look at the review settings. Here, make sure you import product reviews as well, which is very important, guys. Again, you can pause the video and copy my setting. Once you copy my settings, don't forget to click on save settings. Let's go to shipping settings. So guys, here you can see we have the default shipping country, which is the United States. And below you can see this feature is available in the full version of this plugin. So you don't have to worry about that. We already covered that part just by creating our own shipping method. And there is nothing to change. Let's look at the phrases filter. If you want to remove any bad word from your product page, you can type that word. For example, let's say bad boy, or any type of word you want to remove or replace. Just type the word over here and that word will be replaced from your product page, which is amazing cool feature of this plugin that comes with the free version. Okay, once you do it, click on Save Settings. Next we have the API key. When you click on Add Key, it will generate a new key on your website. This key will help your Chrome extension to connect with AliExpress. I'll show you how you can do that later on, but right now let's click on Save Settings. I'm going to copy this key to clipboard and click on Save Changes. Lastly, we have the system information, and here you don't have to do anything, and we are done with this plugin settings. Now it's time to show you how to import the products. There is two ways to import the products. Either you can go to search product, or you can import the product from specific store that is available on AliExpress. First of all, let's look at the search product. So guys, here you can search any product that is available on AliExpress. For example, you can type something like phone case, and here you can select the category. I'm going to go with all categories and click on search. And here you can see we got all the products related to that keyword. And there are a couple different options available to import the products. Here you can see you can import the product by URL. Let's try to import the product by typing the URL over here. To get the URL, let's go to AliExpress. Some people like to import the product just by going to AliExpress website. They don't like this user interface to search the product. So if you like to import the product just by going to AliExpress, go to AliExpress and find the product. First of all, I'm going to change the country to United States. By default, it's set to India because I'm living in India, and click on Save. Next, I need to change the currency. So we are good here. Next, let's find the product that I want to import into my AliExpress dropshipping website. Let's open this one. Let's say if you want to import this product, let's copy the URL, come back to your website, paste the product URL, and let's click on import. And let's see if this works or not. I never test this out. I import the product in different way. So let's find out if this works or not. Okay, it says imported successfully, and let's find out if it's really imported. Let's go to import list. So as you can see, we have successfully imported the product into our import list. And let's see another way to import the products. Let's go to product and let's go to search product button over here. And here you can see we have the advanced option. Here you can filter the product by price as well. Okay. Or you can just copy the entire product title and come back to your website and paste the title over here and click search. And let's see, we'll be able to find the same product over here. There we go. You can see this is the highest sale product. You can see this product, and this product is a different one. This isn't a similar product, as you can see. This is the another way, but not effective way to import the product. So just paste your product URL inside here and import the product directly from your AliExpress. And another way you can import the product is just by going to AliExpress and open the product, for example this one, and they provide us this extension. You can see this extension is turned on when you open any product, and you will see this import button right here. And do not look at this one, import to 𝗀𝗶𝘶. This is a different dropshipping company. I've already created a separate video for 𝗀𝗶𝘶. If you want to watch that video, and if you have some budget, you can watch that video tutorial and learn how to create dropshipping website with 𝗀𝗶𝘶. But that website may cost you some money because that is a premium website. Once you have enough knowledge of dropshipping, then you should consider buying premium features of premium dropshipping supplier. Okay. Right now in this video, we are using all free resources. Anyways, when you see this import button, click on that. Let's see if this works or not. Begin importing. Okay, we have the error. Let's click on configure settings. And here you can see we have to add the API key from the WordPress plugin settings. Let's try to copy this. We already copied that API key from the plugin settings. Let me show you once again. Let's go to settings, and here you can see under the API keys tab, let's copy this key, come here, paste the key and click on add store, and let's check this box and click allow, and let's see if this is able to connect with our WordPress website or not. Attempting to authenticate. Last time I checked, this wasn't working for me. If this works for you, let me know in the comment section below. Anyways, we do have the method to import the product directly inside our dropshipping website just by copying the URL of the product page. So you don't need to worry about this extension. Okay. Another way to import the product just by clicking on search in store. Here you have to type the store ID. When you open any product and you find the store, this is the store. Click on that. I think this is the store ID. Let's copy the store ID and let's come back here, paste the store ID and let's click on search. And this method does not work for me either. You can see, I don't know how this works. This wasn't working for me at all. The only way I found to import the product is just by going to search product and type the keyword, or you can paste the product URL over here. Okay, that is the one of the best option to import the product. So let's go to import list. We already imported the product. As you can see, here you can see we have a bunch of different tabs: product, description, specs, variant, and images. In the products tab, we have the product name. This is a so long name. Make it short. Don't do anything over here yet. Make changes inside your product page later on when you import the product properly inside your WooCommerce plugin. Next, change the status to draft. Rest of the things are good here. Let's look at the description. You will get exact same description that you have seen on AliExpress. Specs, you can see we have the specs over here. Variants, you will get all the variants as you can see. In here, you can see the price of the product 0.99 and the regular price is the same, but we need to change it. How? Well, click over here and click on the multiply by 1.5 and click on apply and let's see. And you can see that immediately we have changed the price of the product. You can increase or decrease your margin just by multiplying your profit with the product cost. Let's say 3, click apply. It's all up to you guys how much margin you want to keep for single product. Just add over here. Okay. And finally, we have the image tab. This is the product images, or you can say the gallery images. If you want to delete them, you can delete them later on. But right now, let's go ahead, click on push to store. If you have multiple products imported in your import list, you can see we have this button available as well. Push all product to shop. This button allows you to import all the products in a bulk into your WooCommerce plugin in this section right here. Okay. Right now I have only one product. I'm going to click on push to shop and let's see if this works or not. Push to shop complete successfully. Okay. So if you remember that I've changed the status to publish to draft, that means the product is not published yet, but it is in the draft list. Let's go to products under the WooCommerce and then click on all products. Okay. There is a little bit problem here. If you open the product, there is nothing here. Why is that? Okay, sometimes this happen. If you see this type of blank product, what you need to do is just go to your plugins and click on settings and let's see if this plugin is connected with AliExpress or not. This plugin is connected with AliExpress, but you don't see the product inside your all product section. Let's try to import a different product. Let's copy this one, copy the product, come over here. Let's click over here, paste the URL of the product, click import, and let's see if you're able to import the product. This one imported successfully. Let's go to import list. Alright guys, so everything is available over here. You can see that description, specs, variant. You can change the price, multiply by 1.5. Let's click apply. And now this time I'm going to keep the status published. Let's click on push to store. And now let's see if we're able to find the product inside our WooCommerce plugin. Now I think importing process running in the background. Let me go to the settings once again, and here I think there is a button which says importing in the background. This one, I'm going to uncheck this one. Let's click on save settings. Let's find different product phone case. I like this one. Let's copy the product URL. Come over here, click on search product. Let's click over here, paste the URL, click import, and let's see. This time we're able to see the product inside our WooCommerce plugin. Let's try this method as well. Just typing the keyword and click search. Let's import this product. Click on add to import list. Okay, let's go to import list. So you can see we have two products here. Let's click on push all products to the shop. Click yes. All right, guys. So now let's hover your mouse over products. Click on all products. So as you can see, this time I'm able to import the product into my WooCommerce product section. But I'm not able to import these two products. Maybe there is a bug inside the plugin. I don't know what is the technical issues there. However, I'll request this plugin owner to fix the problem as soon as possible because this is unexpected. Sometime this free version is able to import the product and sometime you can see is not able to import the product. Anyways, this is what it is. We have here, this is a free version. Try to import the product and we have the two product into our WooCommerce product section. Now all you have to do, just open the product by clicking on the edit button. And now you need to create a SEO friendly product page. I've already created a separate video for that part as well, how to create a SEO friendly product page. Basically, you have to add these essential elements inside your product page: high quality photos, compelling description, product reviews, and product video if possible. Shorten the title like Disney Mickey Mouse phone case for iPhone. And then scroll down, you can customize your description. If there is any AliExpress icon or logo, you can delete that image or you can edit that image online, or you can use Photoshop to edit that image. Okay. For example, you can see this image right here. You should delete that and you should delete this type of image as well. Only keep the product images inside your description and your product image gallery. Okay. So scroll up. In the right hand side, you can see these are the product gallery images. And here you have to create the product category. I'm going to click on add new category. Let's say phone cases and click on add new category. And now let's create another category. I'm going to call this iPhone case and I'm going to parent this to phone cases. Click on add new category. All right. So if someone open the phone cases, they will see iPhone cases. If you have Samsung cases, you can create category for Samsung cases as well. Okay. Below you can see we have the product tag. Let's add 2 or 3 tags, maybe phone cases, iPhone case, so on and so forth. Scroll down. You can see we have the extra settings. Here you don't have to change anything. And we are done here. If you keep scrolling down at the very bottom, you can see we have the product data. Here you can see we have the shipping tab and we have the linked product. You can upsell and cross-sell the product if you have multiple product imported inside your website. If you have similar product, you can search the product and that product will appear below of this product page. And that upsell and cross-sell will increase your orders on your website. And this is another cool tip for you guys to increase the number of orders on your dropshipping website. Next, we have the attributes. Here you can see all the attributes listed here, and all these attributes has been imported from AliExpress. Variation, you can still have the option to change the price of the single variant. For example, this one, this will be the regular price and this will be the sale price. If you want to run a sale on your website on this product or this variant, you can add the sale price. You can change the regular price. Right now, this is the same price of the AliExpress, but in your case, you have to change the product price as well. Keep in mind that, guys. Anyways, we are done here. Once you make any changes, don't forget to click on update button over here. This will keep your changes saved. Now let's view the product just by clicking on view product button. And there you go, guys. This is the product. Here your customer can select the phone model, the color and the quantity, and then click on add to cart. And here you can see the view cart button right here. But before that, let's look at the description. This is the beautiful description of the product page. And this is the additional information. This is the review. There is a no review for this product. You can import the review from AliExpress as well just by using this plugin, which is very important. And that reviews will increase the chance of the sale of the product. When someone land on the product page and they will see other people also buying the same product and they are dropping the positive reviews as well, then there is a most likely a chance to get a sale for this particular product. Anyways, you can see that the product has been added into the cart. Your customer either click over here or they can click over here, view cart button, and it will take them to the cart page. And there you go, guys. This is the beautiful cart page. Here they can increase or decrease the quantity of the product. They can add the coupon if there is any available. Here you can see we have the shipping method, free shipping. Your customer can change the address from here as well. You can see this will be the cost. Click on proceed to checkout. And here you can see your customer has to fill this billing information like this one. And finally, your customer has to pay this amount just by clicking on the place order button. There is only cash on delivery available. I didn't add the PayPal payment gateway. If you want to know how to add the PayPal payment gateway, you can check out my other video. Anyways, let's click on place order button. And there you go, guys. You can see this is how your customer can place an order on your dropshipping website. And we did all these things without spending any money at all. Now all you have to do, just visit your site, hover your mouse over here, click on dashboard, and now hover your mouse over WooCommerce and click on orders. And hopefully you will see your first order just like it. Now click on the order number, and here you will see all the details of your customer, like his shipping address and billing information, and his email and his phone number. Now all you have to do, just open the same product page on AliExpress where you import the product. Now you have to place an order on AliExpress just by selecting the same model number, same color, and then click on add to cart, click on view shopping cart, select your product and click on checkout, click on add new address, and here you have to type each and everything of your customer that you have received on your website. Like here you can see the name of the customer, copy the name and copy the address and paste it over here, and then click on confirm. I'm adding the wrong address just for the demonstration purposes, but in your case you have to add the real customer address that you have received on your website. Once you add your shipping method or your desirable payment method, next thing you need to do, you need to click on this pencil icon, which is very important. You have to leave a note to this supplier just by telling them, we are doing drop shipping, please do not add any invoice into the package, just like it. Okay, and then click confirm, and this supplier will find out that you are doing a drop shipping and he not supposed to add any type of invoice or any type of branding into the package. After that, this supplier will ship the product directly to your customer, and your customer will receive the same product, and you are selling this same product on your website at higher cost. And here you can see I didn't add any pricing formula over here, but I've already shown you guys how to add the pricing formula. Anyways, this is how you can fulfill the order when you receive an order on your website. Now it's time to show you guys how to customize your WordPress website. It is pretty straightforward. First of all, let's go to dashboard. Let's close all these tabs. Let's hover your mouse over here and then click on visit site. So this page is a design or build with the Elementor page builder. Elementor is a drag and drop editor to design web pages. To access the Elementor page builder, click over here, edit with Elementor. Now close this out and close this one as well. In the left hand side, you will see all the elements that you can add inside your web page or your home page. When you hover your mouse over any element, you will see this type of section, or you can see this type of pencil icon and this icon as well, edit column. When you click on these buttons, it will take you to the editing section from the left hand side. And here you can replace this image and you can increase or decrease the size. You can add the link, so on and so forth. There is a 3 tabs, style and advanced. You can go through these sections one by one and spend some time and customize your website. I've already created a separate dedicated video how to customize any type of website with Elementor page builder. This is so simple to use, guys. Just highlight anything and start typing your own text, as you can see here. If I want to change this, just highlight everything, start typing anything you like. I'm going to press Ctrl Z. You can change the button by clicking on the button. Here you can see the button text, button link, alignment, size, so on and so forth. Okay, pretty straightforward. This header section is not designed with the Elementor page builder, but I'll also show you how to edit this as well. The things that designed with the Elementor page builder is right here, the middle section. You can see the whole section right here. You can add as many sections as you want just by clicking on the add section button. If you want to add more templates into this section, you can add them just by clicking on this button. And this footer area is not designed with Elementor page builder as well, but we'll look at how to edit this footer area as well. Okay. Once you make any changes inside your Elementor page builder, remember to click on update. It will keep your changes saved. Okay. Now let's close out this Elementor page builder. Click over here, click on exit, decide later. Now click over here, this WordPress icon. Now visit your site once again. Now let me show you how you can change your logo and your menus and your footer area as well. To do it, click on this customize button. Now it will show you the this WordPress theme settings. Okay. And here you can see this theme has this much options available that you can change. First of all, when you hover your mouse over your header section, you can see these pencil icon. If you want to change the logo, hover your mouse over logo and click on this pencil icon. It will take you to the editing section of this logo area. Okay. Or you can access your logo just by going to the header builder. And here you can see site title and logo. And this is your logo. You can replace this logo with your own logo, or you can remove this logo completely. It's all up to you. And you can spend some time and you can change other settings as well. Whatever you do, you will see the live preview over here. As you can see, if I increase the logo width, you can see the live preview right here. Once you make any changes, don't forget to click on publish, guys. This is also very important. Let's go back here. So in the similar way, you can click on the pencil icon and you can change your menu, configure your menu. There is a different locations for different menus. Primary menu, just edit the primary menu. This is the primary menu, guys. Everything, grocery and juice, you can see right here. If you want to add more items into this menu, click on the add item button. And here you can add as many items as you want just by going to these categories. Okay. If you want to add the product, add a product. If you want to add a post, you can add a post. Custom links, anything you can add inside this menu or any menu. The similar way you can customize this section as well, or literally any section that you like. If you go to footer area here, you can see these pencil icons as well. If you want to change the text, come over here, change this text as well. Pretty straightforward. I've already created a separate dedicated video, guys, to show you how to customize any type of WordPress website. Go ahead, watch that video and learn how to customize any type of WordPress website. So I'm not going to waste your time to show you things which I've already shown you guys. Anyways, whenever you make any changes, click on publish and your changes will saved. I'm going to close this out. And one important thing, guys, make sure import at least 30 to 50 product into your dropshipping store. But this is not the case. In my some dropshipping website, I sell only single product. I call them single product dropshipping website. Moreover, in some of my dropshipping website, I sell 3 to 4 products. You can't limit yourself. If you're doing mixed dropshipping, then add at least 30 to 50 product into your dropshipping store. But if you're doing single product dropshipping, that will be completely fine as well. Anyways, it's time to move to the final step. I'm going to close this out. Let's go to the dashboard. It's time to take our local website to the live server. To do it, we need to install a plugin. That's how you mouse over plugins and then click on add new. Alright guys, so I'm going to stop the video right here because I've already created that part earlier. If you want to know how to take your local website to live server, you can check out my other video. You will find that video link in the video description or in the pinned comment. That being said, goodbye. Till then, I'll see you guys next time.